For more information, please visit our website at DarkCybernetics.com. This is Dark Cybernetics, Mathematics for Computer Scientists, volume of a cube. Follow along with our free course documentation. In this short video, we'll quickly discuss how to compute the volume for a cube. We simply need the length of one of the lengths of the side. As we know, a cube is a three-dimensional shape. It has a variety of different applications for using in many 3D graphics programs and other things that computer scientists would generally run into. But we simply take the volume by getting one side and we raise that to the power of what? 3, right? Because there are 3 dimensions for this shape. So we would cube this variable, this number, right? So we take v, we have a side, we'll call that side A, and in this case it's 2. We raise to the power of 3. We know that 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to what? 8. And we write 8 in the box. And for more information, please visit our website at DarkCyberetics.com.